estimating measures, Mrs. Shri Kumar went to a supermarket to buy her monthly groceries. She took a trolley so that it would be easy for her to carry everything. She thought 5 kg of rice, 4 liter of oil and 5 kg of wheat flour would be enough for a month for her family of 4 people. So, Mrs. Seema Kumar made an estimation of measures of the quantity mentally to purchase her monthly groceries. So, we often estimate measure of different quantities. First is length of pen is 15 centimeter because centimeter is small unit and meter is largest unit. And weight of an apple is about 200 gram, not in centimeter. And capacity of water cane is about 25 liter, not in meter, centimeter. We can measure the capacity into liter and milliliter. So that's why capacity of water can is 25 liter. Now circle the estimate that would work best for measuring each object. Length of the train, that means 555 meter or 50 meter. 50 meter is small, that train is length of train is so large, that means it is 555 meter. And thickness of duster, thick means thickness, small part, that means 3 centimeter, not 13 centimeter. And capacity of cane 50 milliliter या 350 milliliter, cane की capacity मतलब 350 milliliter. Weight of table 50 gram or 5000 gram, that means 5000 gram. And a walk in a park, that means 2700 meter, 30 meter, not 30 meter, only 2700 meter. And capacity of a spoon 15 milliliter, not 50 milliliter. So capacity measured by liter and milliliter, thickness measured by meter and centimeter, length also length is measured with meter and centimeter, and weight and height is measured with meter and centimeter, obvious. And weight of table is also measured with gram, kg. Weight of fruits, groceries measured with gram or kg. And capacity is measured by liter and milliliter. Next is speed, distance and time. What is speed? स्पीड जब हम कोई मतलब अपनी गाड़ी चलाते हैं तो कितनी स्पीड पे जाते हैं, मतलब 100 मीटर की 100 की स्पीड पे, 150 की, ओनली 40 की स्पीड, वो एक स्पीड लिमिट होती है. डिस्टेंस मीन्स जैसे हम अपने घर से मार्केट तक गए हैं, टोटल मतलब मार्केट और कहीं किसी आउट ऑफ स्टेशन गए हैं, हमने अपने घर से लेके जो उस स्टेशन तक का डिस्टेंस कवर किया है, मतलब कितने किलोमीटर तक हम आए हैं, उसे बोलते हैं डिस्टेंस. एंड टाइम, जितना टाइम हम, जैसे हमने घर से मतलब 10 o'clock चले हैं और हम अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे 12 o'clock पर पहुँचे हैं, मतलब टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना हो गया, 2 hours का टोटल डिस्टेंस तो हमने फाइंड करना है. और टाइम कितना लगा, 2 hours. तो वो क्या होगा, टाइम टेकन व्हेन वी मतलब कवर एंड डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम अवर होम टू रीच द डेस्टिनेशन प्लेस. सो फर्स्ट इज मिताली कैन रन 18 kilometers in 3 hours. Let us find out how fast she is. This means that in 1 hour she runs 18 divided by 3, because we have given the 18 kilometer in 3 hours. We have to find firstly in 1 hour how many kilometers she run. 6 kilometer. So this known as speed. Kilometer represents speed. Speed is defined as a distance covered per unit of time. To find speed, we divide the total distance covered by the total time taken. That means when we have to find the speed of any bus, auto rickshaw, train and etc., we have to use this formula. That means speed is equal to distance upon time. In this way we can find the speed. So moving to our first question, what will be the speed in following cases? You fly 1500 kilometer in 2 hours. That means you fly 1500 kilometer, it is our distance, and 2 hours means our time. So how can we find the speed of the flight? That means we have to use the formula. How can speed is equal to distance upon time. How many distances cover? 1500, and time to be taken 2 hours divided by 2. When we divide 1500 by 2, 7 2s are 14, 5 minus 4 1, 5 2s are 10, and write 0 as it is. So answer is 750 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मतलब 1 घंटे की उसकी रफ्तार किलोमीटर पर आवर 750. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर स्कूल बस ड्राइव्स 18 किलोमीटर टू स्कूल इन 1 hour. Find the speed. That means speed, again we have to write speed is equal to distance upon time. 18 divided by 1, because we have given on 1 hour, which is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. Next question is, a auto rickshaw covers 92 kilometer in 4 hours. So distance 92 kilometer, distance 92 kilometer, and time to be taken 4 hours. And how can we find speed? Distance upon time. D represent distance and T represents time. So 92 divided by 4. We have to divide 92 by 4. This is our numerator and this is our denominator. That means numerator is divided by denominator. 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 1, and 4 3s are 12. So answer is 23 kilometer per hour. Next is, a train travels 180 kilometer in 3 hours. So how many distance train cover? 180 kilometer, and time 3 hours. So speed of the train is equal to distance upon time, which is equal to 180 upon 3. Now divide 180 by 3. 6 3s are 18, and 0 write as it is. So answer is 60 kilometer per hour. In this way we can find a car covers 80 kilometer in 2 hour, 80 kilometer in 2 hour. Distance of car is 80 kilometer, and time 2 hour. So speed of the train, distance upon time, which is equal to 80 divided by 2, 40 kilometer per hour. ये लिखना जरूरी है किलोमीटर पर आवर, बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द train, car and etc. In this way we can find speed.